Indian Peninsular region, or you may call it the just peninsula. Now, the area lying to the south of North Indian Plain and tapering toward the Indian Ocean is called Indian Peninsula. So obviously this region lies to the South India. It is covering some part of North India, especially the part of Madhya Pradesh, as well as some part of Western India and Eastern India. So this is also the largest region. Peninsula is also covering large part of India, obviously. So the area lying to the south of North Indian Plains, obviously, when suppose you see this North Indian Plains, south to the North Indian Plains, the peninsula starts near Madhya Pradesh. So obviously that lying to the south of North Indian Plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean. Tapering means going towards and ending over there. Going towards and ending over there toward the Indian Ocean, that is nothing but the part of Tamil Nadu. So this area covers so many states like Maharashtra, some part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, some part of Madhya Pradesh, then South Indian states being Karnataka, Kerala, everything, Andhra Pradesh, as well as Madhya Pradesh, as well as some part of Assam. That's why this is the largest region, or this is the largest landmass. This is the oldest landmass. So Indian Ocean is called Indian Peninsula. That region is called Indian Peninsula. Now the Arabic is consists of many plateaus. It's not a flat region. Okay, it's not a totally flat region. Yes, there are certain flat parts over there, certain part and parcel of land which is totally flat. But there are also so many plateaus. Plateau is nothing but the hills, you know that, and mountains. Okay, so plateaus and hill ranges, especially the Sahyadri range, you know, the western coastal region. Obviously, Sahyadri range, or you may call it peninsular range. Now, the Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountains here. I already told you. Aravallis here in the north are the oldest fold mountains here. It includes a series of plateaus bordering the plain. So it includes a series of plateaus like Malwa Plateau, Mewar Plateau, Marwar Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. So many plateaus are there in this Indian Peninsula, the peninsular region. So the Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountains here. It includes a series of plateaus bordering the plains. They are bordering the plain Indian and North Indian plain. Then Vindhya plateau you can see in the map. Just observe it. Okay. And Satpura ranges also in Gujarat, western part of India. So in the central part, they also start from Madhya Pradesh, central part of India, and then it's in Gujarat, Satpura ranges. And in the regions of western and eastern Ghat, obviously this the peninsular region covers they touch the western coastal plain, Western Ghat, as well as eastern coastal plain, Eastern Ghat. So you can see how enormously large this area is. You can easily guess, you can easily get that this peninsular region is also the large one, like Himalaya or like North Indian plain. You cannot you cannot ignore it, obviously. So this is the Indian Peninsula, and all these questions are eliminated from the syllabus. They are totally reduced from the syllabus. You know, student, 25% of the syllabus reduced due to this pandemic. So obviously the questions will not come. Now we will study about the coastal plains. Okay, we will study about the coastal plains now. Okay. Now India is blessed with the long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. That you know, we have a coastal area of around 7,500 kilometers at western of this total area, and we have two coasts, western coast and eastern coast. Western coastal region as well as eastern coastal region. Near to the Arabian Sea, that is known as western coastal region. Near to the Bay of Bengal, that is known as eastern coastal region. And we also have Indian Ocean. So obviously, you can see India is blessed. Obviously, God blesses and nature blesses with a long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. This is also an approximate figure. You cannot measure everything because this is related to topography, geography, and this area is large. You cannot measure. So obviously, approximate figure is 7,500 kilometers. Now it lies to the western and eastern part of the peninsula. Obviously, peninsular region touches the boundaries of western coast as well as eastern coast, and that's why they have said it lies to the eastern part of the peninsular region of Peninsula Indian Peninsula. Its western and eastern coastline show remarkable dissimilarity. Even though this whole part of the coastal region, whether eastern coast or western coast, they are nothing but the coastal region. They are formed by the sea. Here, there are total dissimilarities. In case of flora, fauna, topography, and to some extent climatic conditions also. So, we'll observe and learn about it now. The western coast borders the Arabian Sea. I have already told you, I will explain to you that western coastal plains are formed due to Arabian Sea. So obviously the western coast borders the Arabian Sea. It is by and large a rocky coast. Obviously this is a rocky coast. Obviously it is formed out of rock. This coastal area is covered by rocks, and that's why these coastal beaches or coastal area, coastal region is formed out of rock. That's why it is known as rocky coast. Now it places spurs taking off from the western Ghats have extended right up to the coast. Obviously spurs. The spurs means certain mountain ranges or hill ranges of western Ghats, they reach up to the sea, not into the sea, but towards the coastal region. Especially students, you can observe this phenomena for the sake of example in Konkan region. In Konkan region, if you visit various beaches, you can see so many hill ranges in and around the coastal area. They are occupying the coastal area. These are nothing but spurs. These are nothing but called as spurs. Spurs are nothing but a part of mountain ranges, part of hill ranges of western Ghats that is coming towards the coast or tapering towards the coastal region or occupying the coastal area. And that's why they are saying at places spurs taking off, not to the whole region, but some part, okay? Not whole western coastal region is occupied by this, by the spurs, okay? So, spurs taking off from the western Ghats have extended right up to the coast. They have extended right up to the coast, near to the coastal region. You can see this phenomenon, especially in Konkan region, if you visit particular beaches in Konkan area. Now, its width is also less. Obviously. This is not a totally particular mountain ranges or hilly region. Now, rivers originating from western Ghats are short and swift. Whatever rivers coming from western Ghats toward this particular coastal region are meeting the Arabian Sea. These rivers are very short. Obviously, they are narrow. Okay, the base is narrow, but they are very swift. They are flowing very rapidly and swiftly. So, they form estuaries and not desert. Estuaries are nothing but what you may call it a creek region. What do you mean by creek? Bayandar Creek, Bayandar Khari, or you may call it Thana Creek, Thana Khari, like that. So, this is known as creek. Estuaries are nothing but a creek. In Hindi, they are known as Khari. You know that. Bayandar Khari, Thana Khari. So, these are nothing but a creek. These are nothing but estuaries, or you may call it estuaries. So, obviously, they form estuaries. Estuaries are nothing but the creeks and not delta. They do not form any kind of delta, especially in western coastal region. You will not observe any kind of delta region or delta. So, you will only observe estuaries. Okay? The eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal that you know very well. Bay of Bengal is near to the east, what you call that? Eastern coast. That is nothing but the West Bengal. We call it West Bengal. Now, it has formed as a result of depositional work of rivers. Depositional work of rivers of Ganga, as well as Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Now, many east-flowing rivers using from the western and eastern Ghats meet, not using actually, they are flowing. They have used this wrong word, flowing. Now, many east-flowing rivers flowing from the western and eastern Ghats meet these coasts. So, not just eastern, rivers which are flowing from eastern Ghats toward the eastern coast, but even some rivers which are flowing from the western Ghats, they go towards the eastern coast. You can see so many rivers are flowing towards the eastern coast. especially this Krishna and Godavari, that river. Okay, so obviously and Kaveri. So obviously, many east flowing rivers flowing from the western and eastern Ghats meet this coast, and because of the gentle slope of the land, so obviously the slope is not steep. Slope is not steep. Obviously, slope is very gentle, smooth. So, slope of the land, rivers flow at lower velocity. The speed is very low. Velocity is nothing but the speed. The speed is very low, or you may call it the speed is very slow. They are flowing slowly, calmly, and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. And whatever sediments, okay, whatever rocks, pebbles, and whatever that green, not grain of sand, not grain of sand, obviously grain of sand, clay, and several other matters. These are called known as sediment. All they bring together and deposit at the eastern coast of Bay of Bengal. And that's why you can see the largest delta region in the world, that is known as Sundaban, formed out of this deposit, formed due to these sediments. So, lower velocity and deposit their sediments brought with them at the coast. As a result, deltas are formed along this coast. And you can see the delta. Delta region we already see previously. Okay? So obviously, you can observe it in the map. Now, we have studied what about the coastal region, eastern coastal region and western coastal region or coastal plains of India. Now we study the island group. Island group, there are so many islands which are not bordering India, but they are away from India. They are not in the mainland or near to the mainland, but they are away from India. Especially Andaman Nicobar Island, they are far up from India. At least Lakshadweep are near, but what about Andaman Nicobar? They are far away from India, near to the Philippines side, I think. So obviously, but when we study, they are also the part of Indian territory. Now the island group. India has many small and large islands. India has many small as well as large islands. Along the coast of the mainland. Along the coast of the mainland India. Now, these are included in the coastal island group. These are also included in the coastal island group. Especially Lakshadweep are near to us. Lakshadweep Islands are near to us, but these what you call that Andaman Nicobar Island, they are far away from India, even though they are part of the Indian territory. Now, beside India has two large group of islands. One is in the Arabian Sea, that is nothing but the Lakshadweep Island, and another in the Bay of Bengal, that is nothing but the Andaman Nicobar Island, or you may call it the Indira Point, that you know very well. You studied in the 9th standard also. Now the island in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep Island. I already told you this. That Lakshadweep Island are nothing but a part of the Arabian Sea. They are near to the western coast of India. Okay, Lakshadweep Islands are not far away from Kerala. So obviously you can see Kerala. The boats are ferrying from Kerala to Lakshadweep Island and from Lakshadweep Island to Kerala. So you want to go? You can go by boat, means go by sea as well as what you call it, air route. So this island in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep Island. Where the island in the Bay of Bengal, are called the Andaman and Nicobar Island. They are known as Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now most of the islands in the Lakshadweep are atoll island. Atoll means, what do you mean by atoll? They are not good in height compared to the sea level. Now we compare everything with the sea level, especially the landform and landmass. We always compare with the sea level. When you visit any station, suppose you are traveling in a train, in any train, when you see what you call that particular information, the station, the name of the station, and its height from the sea level. Its height from the sea level that is indicated, that is shown, or that is written on that particular plate or board or whatever you may call it. So obviously that is known as atoll island. Atoll island means they are short. They are not high above the sea level. High above, because obviously they are surrounded from four sides. They are surrounded by the sea, but they are not good in height. So they are very short, and their height compared to the sea level is very short. So they are known as atoll islands. They are small in extent and not very high. They are already told you, they are small in extent, not very high. So obviously when tsunami occurred in 2004 in India, tsunami came. Most of these islands were flooded by seawater in 2004, if you remember. Okay, you can search in Google also. In 2000, when tsunami came because of the earthquake in the sea at Java and Sumatra and Aceh, Indonesia. Then tsunami came, and tsunami arose, and obviously most of the islands were submerged because they were atoll. All of the islands were atoll. They are not in high. Compared to the sea level, they are not high. They are short. So most of the islands in Lakshadweep are atoll island. Atoll is very short compared to the sea level. They are not having a good height, or they are not above the sea level. They are above the sea level, but they are not high above the sea level. So they are small in extent and not very high. Islands in the Andaman are mainly volcanic islands. They are formed out of volcano. You know that. We studied in 9th standard. Barren Island is the only active volcano in India, not in India, Indian mainland, but this island, Andaman Nicobar Island. So, out of that volcanic eruption, out of that lava, these islands are formed thousands of millions of years back. So that's why Andaman Nicobar Island are known as volcanic island, or they are formed out of volcanic eruption. Now they are large with hills. Obviously, these islands are very large. With hills, they are not at all, but they are tall. They are very tall, very high above the sea level. So with hills in their interior parts is where the interior part is covered by hill, or you may call it a plateau area. They have some plateaus over here. Includes an island called Barren Island. Already told you. Barren Island is also the part of India. It is also the part of Andaman Nicobar Island, which has the only active volcano. In India. Not Indian mainland, but territory. Because these islands are also the territory of India, Indian government. In India, these are atolls in the Nicobar group too. They are atolls, but in Nicobar Island, Andaman and Nicobar are not a single island. There are so many islands you will get confused. Which is the Andaman and which is Nicobar? So when you go to the Nicobar group, these are atolls. They are not high above the sea level. They are short. They are not heighted one. And that's why they also face the threat of tsunami or submersion. So these are atolls in the Nicobar Island. There are some islands in Nicobar which are not good in height compared to the sea level. Now,